How to enable or disable memory saver in Canva. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable the memory saver in Canva. So this is a feature that makes the inactive tabs inactive when they are not being used. So for example, if you have a number of designs opened and you are currently working on a single design, then the other tabs or the other designs will be made inactive if this particular feature is enabled. This saves memory and also gives you a boost in the current design, especially if it requires a lot of memory or RAM. So let me show you how you can do this. So in order to access the settings, the first thing that you will need to do is make sure that you are in the home tab. If you are not, simply click onto this home button and then click onto this profile picture at the bottom left corner. Once you click onto your profile picture, you can see this particular card, and from here you need to choose to the settings option, and this will lead you to this particular page right here. So under your profile section, you can simply scroll down, and here at the very last you can see this option that says desktop app performance. And under the desktop app performance, you can see this option that says memory saver. Pause inactive tabs to save reduce memory and keep Canva running smoothly. Tabs will automatically reactivate when you return to them. So if you want to enable this, you can simply click onto this and it will show you that this particular feature has been successfully enabled. To disable this, click onto this again, and here you can see that this feature has been disabled. So that's how easily you can enable and disable the desktop app performance memory saver in Canva. So that was all for this video. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask, then ask them in the comments. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.